Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy, delicious, and refreshing Honeydew and Kiwi Agua Fresca. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 large honeydew, 3 kiwis, 1 lemon, sugar, 1 cup of honey, and 6 cups of water. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our honey simple syrup. So I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. In a small saucepan, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and our honey. So now we're just going to mix it, and now we're just going to wait, and before it comes to a simmer, we're going to turn it off and remove it from the heat. So just make sure that you're constantly mixing it so like that the honey doesn't get stuck to the bottom of your pot. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our honey simple syrup should be done. So now we're just going to turn it off and remove it from the heat. We're going to let that cool down before we start mixing everything together. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by peeling and cutting our fruits. So I'm going to start by cutting the ends of my kiwis. And using my potato peeler, I'm just going to peel my kiwi. Alright, so now I'm just going to cut it in half, and I'm going to set it to the side and repeat the process with all our kiwis. Alright, so once we peeled our honeydew, we're just going to remove all the seeds. Alright, so once we have removed our seeds, we're just going to slice it down. Okay, just flip it to the other side and start cutting into small cubes. Okay. Alright, so once we have everything nicely cut, we are ready to make our agua fresca. Alright guys, so once our honey simple syrup has cooled down, now we are ready to blend everything together. So in my blender, I'm going to start by adding my honeydew and some kiwis. Okay, we're going to squeeze out the lemon juice from our lemon. And we're going to add our honey simple syrup. And I'm going to add another cup of water. So we're going to mix it all together until we have a smooth juice. Alright, so once everything is nicely blended, we're going to strain it into our big jar. Alright, so once we have separated our pulp from our juice, we're ready to blend the rest of our honeydew. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Along with some sugar. And the sugar is going to be up to your liking. I'm going to add a half a cup. So now we're just going to blend until everything is nicely smooth. So strain it again. Alright, so now I'm going to add the 2 cups of water into my blender so I can get everything out. And I'm going to pour it back in my jar. Okay, so now we're going to give it a quick mix. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some ice. Alright, so now we are ready to serve. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Super delicious, super refreshing. I think it's perfect. I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy it just as much as we do. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super refreshing honeydew and kiwi agua fresca. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres